In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Shopify, a full guide for 2025. Connecting Zoho Books with your Shopify store can streamline your business operations by syncing your sales, inventory, and customer data automatically. If you're ready to make your bookkeeping more efficient, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see an overview of your financials and manage your settings. Once there, move your mouse over the dashboard options to find the Integrations and Marketplace feature. Click on it and this will lead you to where you can link different applications and services. In the Integrations and Marketplace area, you will want to specifically click on Marketplace. It's an essential part of Zoho Books that hosts all available third-party integrations, including the one we need for Shopify. You'll see a search bar in the Marketplace section. Here, you will type highlight. Although it might seem a bit indirect, this is part of the navigation process to locate the Shopify integration. Typing highlight will bring up several options, but keep an eye out for a Shopify integration for Zoho Books. This is the magic link you're looking for, connecting two powerful commerce and accounting tools. Click on that option. You may be prompted to confirm this action or read through some details about what the integration will entail. Click again to initiate the Shopify integration for Zoho Books. At this stage, the system might ask you to log into your Shopify account if you haven't done so already, or if further configuration is necessary to establish a secure connection between the two platforms. This integration will allow seamless importation of orders and customer information from Shopify directly into Zoho Books. As you connect, you'll be guided through setup preferences, which let you customize how data is transferred and synchronized. As this integration process continues, take your time to review each setting. For instance, you can choose to automatically sync new Shopify orders into Zoho Books or select manual syncing if you prefer more control. Think about what options best suit your workflow and business model. Setting this up correctly can save you a tremendous amount of time in managing your records and can reduce errors. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully connected Zoho Books with your Shopify store, and now you can enjoy the benefits of streamlined, automated data management. With this setup, you invest less time in bookkeeping and more on growing your business. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, reach out to Zoho support for a helping hand. Thank you for following along and happy selling.